What causes learning disorders? Your brain processes information in a very complex way, and because of this, errors can sometimes occur. Neurologically based processing problems can lead to learning disorders. Simply put, learning disorders affect the brain's ability to receive, process, analyze, or store specific information. This can make it difficult to learn as quickly or efficiently as someone without a learning disorder. Such processing problems can interfere with learning fundamental skills such as reading, writing, and math. Learning disorders should not be confused with learning problems, which are primarily the result of visual, hearing, motor handicaps, mental retardation, emotional disturbance, or environmental, cultural, or economic disadvantages. What causes dyslexia? What causes dyslexia is not yet entirely known, but studies have revealed differences in the way the brain of a person with dyslexia develops and functions. Specifically, the areas of the brain that are important for understanding how written words are pronounced are less active than what is considered normal. The brain, however, is able to adapt and rely more heavily on different areas to perform specific language skills. Additionally, dyslexia tends to run in families, and researchers have identified several genes that may be responsible for the condition. Treatment and management of dyslexia. Dyslexia cannot be cured, unfortunately. However, it can be successfully and effectively managed. Some strategies include developing skills and techniques that can compensate for the learning disability, such as organizational skills, and effective study habits and note-taking, among others. Seeking the help of professionals, such as a child psychologist or a one-on-one tutor that uses a multisensory structured language approach to teaching. Undergoing a speech therapy program to develop phonological awareness. Phonological awareness is the ability to hear and work with sounds of letters and letter combinations, which many people with dyslexia have trouble with. Other strategies include having a quiet area for reading, using audiobooks, or using books with fonts that are designed specifically for making reading easier for people with dyslexia. In order to accommodate his dyslexia and support his success in school, Roberto's teachers did several things, such as provided copies of lecture notes, overlooked spelling mistakes in science and math courses, allowed alternate forms for book reports, allowed the use of a computer for in-class essays, used multisensory teaching methods, and encouraged the use of logic rather than rote memory for learning new concepts. Now in his last year of high school, Roberto no longer worries about failing classes and thoroughly enjoys all of his subjects. He finally feels like he is accomplishing what he is truly capable of. As a top student and key player on the soccer field, Roberto has been scouted by a number of top universities for their varsity soccer programs. With newfound confidence in his ability to succeed academically, Roberto is excited for what the future will bring. In summary, there is no cure for learning disorders such as dyslexia. Therefore, it is important to recognize them early, seek help, and stay positive. Learning how to effectively manage a learning disorder will allow for success and productivity while in school and throughout life.